Hi, my name is Keegan. Welcome to the Villas. As you can see, we are an industrial modern with a sleek finish design. We do have a double garage. Some do come with carports and extra carports, some don't. As you can see when we walk through the front door here, you'll see that we've got a really modern kitchen that looks onto your lounge and dining area. Some of the units do come with pools and some don't. We do have a covered patio option here as well with a big garden. Just remember that the pool, garden services and building maintenance is covered by the rental as well. We do have a study area as well, and we do have a massive pajama lounge included. All the units come with staff accommodation, plus all bedrooms are en suite, so no one has to share a bathroom in these units. We do have a guest bathroom as well, so it means you get 4.5 bathrooms in these units. So my favorite thing with these villas, what I love, is that we get to watch the sunset and have a nice glass of champagne in the afternoon, plus also get to view Santon and the whole of Waterfall as well. So with the villas here, you do still get complete access to the whole of Waterfall. So we do cover the gym membership, access to the restaurant and kids play area for everyone. We do have parks throughout the estate as well, plus also the 37 kilometers of walking and bike trail. We do have the dams that are stocked with fish, but you would then obviously just have to do catch and release. So with getting into Waterfall, we do have 2 private schools inside the estate as well that you can access. We've got Redham and Kiro, plus also we've got Mall of Africa right on your doorstep, which is the biggest shopping center in the Southern Hemisphere at this present time. We have got a 5-star hospital as well, which is Netcare, which is right by the Mall of Africa as well. Thank you so much for joining us here at the Villas. I can't wait to hear from you in the future to move you into your new home.